We're here at Legend Cookhouse, and today I am going to show you how we make our duck curry. So what we have here is the duck, roast, cut up and washed, clean and strained. And I'm going to show you that we have our masala, curry powder, garlic, scallion and onion. This is how we are going to start our curry here today. So let's go. Today once again we'll be making our duck curry here at the Legend Cookhouse. And here goes now all that beautiful vegetables, curry, powder, masala, all of those already pre-measured and ready to bunch up. We're going to cook this up for a little bit, and I would show you how it's going to be ready, and then start catching the bottom so we know it's ready for the duck. So we get the duck raw, put them in there. We're progressing with our duck curry here at the Legend Cookhouse, and now we're giving it a turn. This has produced a lot of liquid, and it's nice and seasoned, and it's crazy, amazing aroma. The duck produces a lot of water, and we're waiting now for the water to dry down before we can start adding additional fresh water and season that water in order to get our gravy nice and delicious. All the water has been reduced and dried out. All the water that the duck produced while cooking is now very low. We are at the stage where we can now add our regular water to create our gravy. Once we add this plain water in there, we are going to season it up with additional seasoning, and that will create nice and tasty duck curry right here at the Legend Cookhouse. This is our finished product, curry duck curry here at the Legend Cookhouse. This is how we serve our duck curry here at the Legend Cookhouse, and we are plating it nicely.